How to view your purchase history on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to see your purchase history on Temu, first of all launch Temu app on a device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the U button at bottom center of the screen. Now proceed to your orders to view all your past orders. At top of the dashboard, select the Delivered option to see your complete purchase history. To find specific orders, you have to tap on Self-Service and then you have to choose Find Orders. Now you have to enter your order ID, phone number, email, payment method to locate a specific order, and you can also view items you are or you have reviewed in the past. That's it. This is how you can view your purchase history on Temu. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.